Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to stop or block Google Chrome notifications on Windows 11 PC or laptop. You just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to open your browser. After then click on three dot button and after then click on settings. From settings menu, please click on privacy and security. After then click on site settings. After then click on notifications. Here you will see not allowed to send notifications and allowed to send notifications. So if you want to block the notification, you just click on three dot button and block. So you will not receive any notifications from Chrome browser. Again, if you want to get notification, you just click on three dot button and click on allow, three dot button and click on allow. Now you will get notifications. So hope this video tutorial helpful for you. So please like the video and subscribe the channel for next videos. Thank you for watching.